What if I told you that in 2025, you could make $500 a day, without a degree, no tech skills, and from the comfort of your home? Sounds crazy, right? But it's 100% real. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works using AI tools you've never heard of. The reality check. While most people are stuck in 9-to-5 jobs, others are using AI automation and digital platforms to make thousands a month. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to start. The tool that's changing lives. Meet your new business partner, AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and even AI video editors are helping people create content, write articles, build resumes, and even start full businesses. You just guide the AI, and it does the heavy lifting. Top 3 AI hustles in 2025. 1. AI content creation. Start a blog or YouTube automation channel. Let AI write, edit, and even generate thumbnails. 2. AI resume service. Use AI to write professional resumes for job seekers. People are paying $50 to $150 per resume. 3. AI freelancing. Offer content, design, or voiceover services using free AI tools on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. How to start today. Start by picking one skill and one platform. Use ChatGPT to generate your service, Canva to make it look amazing, and Fiverr to sell it. It's literally that simple. You can start with $0 investment. Tens of thousands of people are already doing this, some even quitting their jobs to go full-time. This is the future of earning, and you're still early. If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more AI-based income hacks, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Your financial freedom is one video away.